Guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my Plan With Me for November 25th through December 1st. I'm using this planner cake kit. It is mini kit 186, right? Yeah, 186, and I have the full box, half box sheet, and the sampler sheet as per usual. And I think the kit is called Happy Thanksgiving. And that is very fitting because this is the week of American Thanksgiving. And I am so excited because I'm completely off this whole week. I would have had to work on the Monday. Ooh, I need to move my planner so that it's more in the center. Oh boy. I would have had to have worked on Monday, but I decided to put in for a personal day, and I am so glad that I did. I'm going to have a full 9 days off of work, and I am just so excited. So excited. Okay, so my washi is down, and I want to use the turkey I forgot to show the half boxes and full boxes, but I just love the burgundy colors in this kit. It's so beautiful, but there's a turkey in one of the full boxes, and I am totally using the turkey on Thanksgiving. Let's see. I know I want to use burgundy one. So the last week was a really quick and dirty Plan With Me. And so so I'm filming this on the Wednesday night previous to this week. So I think today is the 20th, and I'm gonna move this one. So today is the 20th, and it really has just been a super chill week. Not much is going on. Okay, so now my full boxes are down. Things don't start happening until this week, more so. I do have some things that are in the works. Ooh. So my husband is on a conference call right now, and so I brought all my stuff into the bedroom to film, and I forgot my whiteout. But I will end up going back and whiting out the upper flags because they really don't match this week. Usually I could just kind of leave it because they kind of match, but I'm really not feeling it this week, so I'm gonna put my weekend banner down. Okay, so, and actually I think I'm gonna use checklists on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because my son is still going to daycare. I am treating this as kind of like a mini vacation. Actually, there's a lot of stuff that I need to get done. A lot of stuff. A lot of errands that I want to get done. And so it's like the perfect time to get stuff done. Okay, So I know I want to sell clothes, shred docks, and then I'm gonna do my sidebar. Let's see. I'm gonna do the to-do, to call, and to go. Oops. Taking off the... Okay, so I'm going to do the to-do first. Let's see, I've got a few places to call, just a couple places to go. Okay, but I know I want to order Christmas cards. And I also order these like tabletop calendars. They're like a little tent looking thing that my husband and I keep at work. And so I need to, and that's this will be the third year that I've done that. And it's really handy to have just like a little snapshot of the month. It's like a little monthly calendar and then like a picture. You can customize it. I get them from Vistaprints. And it's just the best thing ever. Just to have like birthdays at a glance. So I'll order those calendars as well. I need to call daycare. And then to go, I need to sell, close, to do, shred, docs. Okay. So that is going to be it for now. I also want to film, and I'm going to just make a list here on Monday of things that I want to film, and I don't know if I'm going to end up getting it done all on Monday. Or what? So I'm gonna film. I'm gonna do 4 videos. And let's see, I'm gonna do my December monthly. EC, December monthly happy planner, plan with me. I think it's the 2 through the 8th. And then what else? I feel like I'm missing a video. Okay, well, it'll hopefully come to me or I'll write it in later. I also know I want to start doing like a big clean of my house. I'm hoping to get a lot of the purging done. Like I just need to like declutter hardcore because it's been a really long time since I've decluttered. And then I want to work specifically these 3 days on our kitchen. And then on Tuesday, I want to work on my bathroom. And that's probably going to take a few hours at least. So it's just time to get rid of some stuff. Like it's just, I feel slightly claustrophobic and it's just time to, especially with my my son just had his birthday, and it was fantastic, but he got some toys which he needed, like, because he was done with the baby toys, and we didn't really have a lot of like bigger boy toys. But that also means there's a lot of stuff, and Christmas is coming up, so he's gonna get more toys, and we just need to get rid of some stuff. So that is my goal. Let's see. I think that's going to be it for the first half of the week. So Thanksgiving Day. Let's see. We are in charge of, let's see. I think I'm going to use a half box, I think, to signify that we are in charge of making green bean casserole, smoked salmon dip, and the apple pie. And my mother-in-law and father-in-law live in town, so we're just another oven, essentially, for her. So we usually end up getting tasked with a lot of stuff, so which is fine. So that is that day. And then I also wanted to include, since I rarely ever get to use these, I wanted to include a family time sticker. Because I have a feeling that we will be hanging out probably Thursday night as a family. Not entirely sure what we'll end up doing, but we will probably be we'll probably end up watching a movie of some sort. So Friday is Black Friday. Oh shoot, I should have marked. I'll have to look and see if I have script stickers of the holidays, because I need to order some if I don't. I think I need to put that in for my order in December, because I think I need some. Let's see, Friday, I know I want to shop a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to say shopping. And I'm going to end up checking out the sales at Target, at Kohl's, but I won't leave my house. So probably just Target and Kohl's, honestly. I don't even know if there's another place that I'd want to look at. Maybe Hobby Lobby? I don't know. It'll be interesting. So, and then Friday is also a payday for me. So I'm gonna mark that using this other basic label. I think it's, and this is like the third payday of the month, so it's like a big paycheck, and it happens to land on Black Friday. So it's actually kind of funny that that happened that way. Saturday, my sister-in-law goes back, and it's also my mother-in-law's birthday. So I think I'm gonna write in this quarter box that it's Baba's birthday, and I have no idea what I'm gonna get her for her birthday. None. that'll be fun and interesting. I'll have to figure that out. And then December 1st, I know that there's a Packer game. Not entirely sure who they're playing. Not entirely sure what time it is. No idea. So I'm just gonna throw in a half box, and I'll throw in a football icon. Honestly, I'll watch it. I'll probably be putting up the rest of my Christmas decorations. I started putting them up like this last weekend. My husband let me. He entertained my elfish whims, and yeah, so. And then something that I did not put in here, which I'm going to, are my videos. So I don't have a video going up, or at least I don't have one scheduled for Thanksgiving. I have one scheduled for, I think it might just be Monday and Saturday. Ooh. So Monday will be this Plan With Me. And then I'm just going to put down, maybe it is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't know. I'll have to go back and look because I'm not even entirely sure. So, grocery time, I'm going to throw that in a quarter box. And we'll probably end up doing some sort of grocery shopping on Sunday. So, and then laundry I'll just do during the week, whatever, kind of more willy-nilly than normal, because I'll have a lot of time to do laundry. So, okay, I think that is it for this Plan With Me. So far it looks pretty good. I mean, it's going to be a pretty full start of the week, and then ending on a really relaxed, happy note with family, hopefully. So, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you know when I post videos. I post videos on my channel every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, except for Thanksgiving, which I won't have a video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys come back. Bye.